here. That's your Valentine's present. Happy Valentine's Day, Rai. That's for my baby. Just pull it out. Just pull it out like that. Or you could just tear the paper off. It's easy to just tear the paper off. I didn't know I wrapped it up so good. What is it?
It's bubble gum.
Is it bubble gum?
Yeah. Thank you, baby cow.
You're welcome, baby. Do you love bubble gum?
Yeah.
Have you ever had any like that? Let me see the name of it. Let me see. Is it Hubba Bubba?
It looks like a banana. You
Ooh.
want one?
Oh yeah. Oh, it is. It's Hubba. It's Hubba Bubba.
Let's try it. Look at the inside.
Ooh. Can you handle that? That's a big. Maybe we should split it in half. Is this too big? What it tastes like?
Tastes like watermelon.
Are you happy?
Good.
Okay, all right, I'll try it. Okay, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Want to say happy Valentine's Day?
Welcome then.